What is memory? Memory can be referred to as any medium capable of storing data in computer. These are the devices which are used to store data in computer. So, memory is used to store large amount of data safely for future use. Memory can be electronic space in a form of silicon chips or magnetic oblique optical media as shown in picture. The memory is divided into number of small parts called cells. Memory can be temporary memory or a permanent memory storage. Memory can be used to store data and instruction to control a computer or execute one or more programs. Temporary memory, permanent storage. RAM is temporary memory, permanent storage, CD, pen drive, hard disk, memory card, floppy, as shown in picture. How is data stored in computers? A computer works on the concept of on and off. The computer can store information in two states. First, on, that is 1, and off, that is 0. Based only on two numbers 0 and 1 in different sequences, the computer stores data. As shown in these two pictures, all data stores in 1 and 0 format. Basic units of memory. A computer's memory is measured either in bits or bytes. A set of 8 bits makes a byte. These are the basic unit used to measure the computer's memory. 8 bits makes 1 byte. 1024 bytes makes 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobyte makes 1 megabyte. 1024 megabytes makes 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabyte makes 1 terabyte. So information is stored in a form of bits and bytes. Bits. Bits stand for binary digits. Each one of 1 or 0 is the smallest unit of information on data which can be stored in a computer. Bits can be 0 or 1. All the information stored in computer in a form of bits 0 and 1. 8 bits combine to form a byte. 8 bits makes 1 byte of information. Each character that you type with the keyboard is made up of 1 byte. Example, when you type 2 from the keyboard, it actually stored as 00000010, which is 1 byte. It means 8 bits combined to form a byte. Uses of memory. Just like human brain, computer need memory to store data. Computer memory is storage space in computer where data to be processed and instruction required for processing are stored. Computers store data in digital format. The computer memory does not get worse over a time. Types of memory. There are two types of memory, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is also called as internal memory. It is the fastest memory of computer. Secondary memory have different names like external memory, physical memory, auxiliary memory. Primary memory further divided into two categories, RAM and ROM. RAM is random access memory, ROM is read-only memory. Secondary memories have different examples like hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive. Primary memory. Primary memory or internal memory holds only those data and instructions on which computer is currently working. It uses microcontrollers that are the fast specialized electronic circuit. It has limited capacity and data is lost when power is switched off. It is generally made up of semiconductor device. The data and instruction required to be processed reside in main memory. Means primary memory can hold data when the power is on. There are two types of primary memory. RAM, random access memory. Number 2, ROM is read-only memory. RAM. As shown in picture, it is a form of chip. RAM means random access memory. These are the memory chips which provide access to store data or instructions. It's 100 times faster than secondary storage. When our computer boots up or starts, it loads the operating system into its memory or RAM. Whenever we open a program, the interface and function used by the program are also loaded in the RAM. This memory is used for reading and writing purpose. RAM is very high speed type of memory which make it ideal for storing active program and system processes. ROM. As shown in picture, it is also in CPU ROM. ROM means read-only memory. It is smaller part of computer memory that is fixed in size and permanently stores manufacturer's instruction to run the computer when it is switched on. There are many types of ROM available in market such as ROM, PROM, EPROM, EEPROM, etc. Exercise. Filling the blanks. First, primary memory is also called dash. Options are A. Internal memory, B. External memory, C. Physical memory, D. Auxiliary memory. The answer is primary memory is also called internal memory. Second, dash memory is read-only memory. Options are A. ROM, B. PROM, C. EPROM, D. RAM. Dash memory is a read-only memory is ROM. The answer is ROM. The memory is divided into number of small parts called dash. Cells. Number 2, area. Number 3, intersection. Number 4, none of these. Answer is cells. Memory is divided into number of small parts called cells. RAM, random access memory. RAM is a volatile memory. The storage capacity of RAM is high. RAM is the fastest and expensive memory of computer. It is read and write memory of computer. So, RAM is a fast and expensive memory. It is used for modification purpose. You can write and read information from it. Types of RAM. There are two types of RAM, static RAM, dynamic RAM. Static RAM. It is also called as SRAM. Static random access memory retains the data bits in its memory as long as power is being supplied. SRAM is used for high-speed register caches and relatively small memory bank such as a frame buffer on a graphic card. As shown in picture. We will do detailed study of these topics in higher classes. Dynamic random access memory. Dynamic random access memory is a type of random access semiconductor memory that stores each bit of data in a memory cell consisting of tiny capacitor and transistor, both typically based on metal oxide semiconductor technology. This is an efficient way to store data in memory because it required less physical space to store the same amount of data. This is the picture of capacitor. It is used for charging and refreshing the memory. Transistors. It is used for collecting response in the form of 0 and 1. So RAM is divided into two categories. First, SRAM, second DRAM. SRAM is static RAM, DRAM is dynamic random access memory.